Hi everyone, it's Lynn from One Person Art. I'm going to pour my lady. I'm very nervous and hopefully it works out. I'm really there's some absolutely gorgeous sections, beautiful cells. I'm hoping that the paint will level out and it will dry sort of fairly flat. But I don't really mind if there's some texture through it, and I will be varnishing it. I think in the fringe part I'm still going to adjust that a little bit with some black paint after it's dry, and I've still got to finish the final colours on the lady's face and her lips. So I'm really happy with it so far. Hope you like it, and I'll send you through the dried results when it's all... Okay, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing today. I'm just doing some detail, and you just need a tiny little bit of this golden high flow. I'm only going to put 2 drops of the fine gold in there with my nickel azel yellow, which I've already put in. Just tap off the extra and then just mix that up with a little brush. And I'm doing just fine details today, just picking out parts. So like this over here is still drying, so I'm going to work over here, and I'm just going to make this part of the hairdryer just brighter. So just go in with a fine brush and just keep painting it until I'm happy with it. I'm not going to do the edge because I need a steadier hand to do that, and I'm holding the camera. But I just wanted to show you what I do. So I did that on the nails. I'm still working on the face. I've done earrings. I wanted the dress to look like it had feathers coming through, so I've been carrying that minty green colour, which is a Modern Masters green apple and I think it was teal that I mixed together to get that colour. And yeah, I'll just keep adding the colours in to get the desired effect I want. So that's how I do it. I just keep adding tiny little bits of the golden paint, and that will do quite a little bit of detail, just that little bit, and then I'll choose another colour and work on another space while it's drying. Okay, so I'm just trying to get a better picture. It's very, very hard to... I hope I'm not getting a shadow. Really hard to get a picture of the lady. She's just so glossy and beautiful that I'm finding it really hard to just take a photo and not get too much of the flashback. But you can see when you go in all the beautiful lacing from the Amsterdam mixture, and equally I went over some parts of it with just a little bit of the golden high flow just to highlight the colour and deepen it a little bit. And then I've done a little bit of embellishment around her face. So I'm really happy with it, and I hope my hairdresser friend likes it. Okay, bye.